guys, it's Shanna with LifeOneFrugal.com. Here in the South Country, the temperatures are starting to go down a little bit, the humidity is starting to get lower, and I'm feeling the urge to clean out and freshen up all the things. With the changing of the seasons, it's the perfect time to do deep cleaning projects that maybe got set on the back burner for the summer. So one of the things that I'm wanting to tackle is to freshen up our mattresses. So I'm here to share my 5 easy steps to freshen your mattress naturally. This process is perfect for potty training mamas, or if you're like me and you have teenage boys and you need to get rid of the teenage boy funk, or if you just really want to freshen up your mattress and optimize your sleep and really start with a clean, healthy bed for this fall. So let's go check out the process. Alright y'all, easy peasy. Nothing to it. So I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope it helps you with your fall cleaning, or if you prefer spring cleaning, obviously you can do this in the spring. Again, I hope this was helpful. If you look in the description box below, I'll have some helpful links for you there, and those are going to be affiliate links. When you click on those links and you make a purchase, we'll actually earn a small commission from that at no extra cost to you. So it's just a really easy way that you can support the Sisters of LifeOneFrugal.com with your purchases. Of course, we appreciate that so much, and we want to go ahead and invite you to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss any of the good stuff that we have for you. We hope you have a wonderful day.